Wish, a clean energy company with a big vision for a sustainable world, introduces the most efficient wind solar street light. A wind turbine with 400 watt coupled with solar of 150 watt. An indigenous alternator generating electricity at 2 meters per second. Saving enough battery backup for 9 hours. High potential for windy, coastal and hilly areas. Well suited for countries with moderate and high wind speeds. For inquiries please send mail to sales@wishenergy.com. Wish Energy. Rethink your limits with limitless power.